Coco Nursery Rhymes.
Good morning, class. Today we will learn the names of wild animals. Let's say them together, loud and clear.
Lion, the king of the jungle. Elephant, big and strong with a long trunk. Tiger, orange with black stripes. Zebra, white and black stripes. Leopard, fast and spotted. Giraffe, so tall with the long neck. Crocodile, swims in water, big teeth. Snake, long and slithery. Rhinoceros, strong with a horn on its nose. Monkey, jumps and swings from trees. Bear, big and furry. Wolf, looks like a dog but lives in the wild. Kangaroo, hops and carries a baby in its pouch. Panda, black and white, loves bamboo. Jaguar, wildcat found in the jungle.
You're welcome. Next time we'll learn about farm animals.